Yo, what is good, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I have a haul. You saw the title, you saw the thumbnail. This is a little 6 kg haul, so it's nothing big, but you know, I still got all the stuff in here that you need. You know, got a pair of shoes, got some hoodies, got some shirts, and I guess you'll just have to find that out. So here I have the haul. It came today. I actually only know what like 3 of the items in here are. I forgot the rest, so it's gonna be a surprise for me as well. Might as well just get to opening it. So I actually have a pair of rep shoes in here for my mom. She's been asking for some rep shoes for a while, and she said she wanted these. You'll see later in the vid. I'll probably open it the first item. But yeah, so I got her some rep shoes. That's like her 3rd pair of rep shoes. I'm just gonna dump everything out. There we go. Got my pile over there. Let's start off with some Bapes. So before I open my haul, I'm very excited to announce I have a new website that I've been working on for the past like month or so called repsheets.net. So pretty much this website is just like a spreadsheet, but way easier to use, a way better interface, and has tons of items. I'm adding like 50 items daily. Right now I have like 250 items on there. And I make sure to put only the quality links. I'm not putting no like budget trash link with like off-center stitching and stuff. So go check it out right now. Repsheets.net just came out, but make sure you go check that out. It'll be in the top of the description and inside the link tree. So yeah. So as I mentioned earlier, my mom did want some shoes and she wanted Bapestas. So she saw a pair of my Bapestas and she liked the little star design on them, so she wanted these. So here we have some Bapestas. I made sure to get a good quality pair because they're for my mom. So these are like pretty good quality. They're kind of cheap too. So bottom feels nice and hard. But yeah, these are pretty much just Air Forces, but with like a star design and Bape branding. Like my mom be dripped out. She has like the Tiffany Air Forces. She has like more Air Forces, and then she has these now. Like, oh my God, she's the most dripped out mom ever, I swear. But yeah, these, I actually can't tell any like flaw with these. These actually look perfect. She's definitely gonna be happy when she sees these. Low key, she's been asking for these for like the past year, and I just forget every single time. But this time I remembered, so that's good. Inside the box, we have some items, some extra laces, don't care, some wrapping paper, this thing, and a dust bag thing. I have like 70 dust bags from Bape, but here they are. And I'm sorry if I sound a little sick or like low energy, because I am sick, so that's the reason. So yeah, I'd give these like a 10 out of 10 because I just feel like they feel so sturdy. Like I can tell these are like good material. But yeah, you can find this in repsheets.net. Just search Bapestas or search a Bape and you'll find a link that contains these, and that's how easy it is. It's no go to number 10, 20 something in my spreadsheet and find it. No, you just search it up in repsheets.net. It's perfect. It's easy. Anyways, on to the next items. I have 3 pairs of chrome heart glasses, so I'm just gonna open one by one. As you can see, 3 pairs. I think each of these were like $20, so I spent like $60 total on these. So as you can see, some chrome heart branding on the back. I don't even like look at the design on these. I just bought them, so they actually feel pretty sturdy. Here is the chrome heart, one of the chrome heart logos. Here's it on here again, and then you have some like sparkly stuff on here inside of the clear. And here it is again. So you got 3 logos. Oh, and on the inside, ooh, okay. And on the inside, you got some more branding and hardware. These actually feel pretty sturdy. I've heard like buying rep glasses can be a hit or miss. Like either there'll be like some cheap plastic, but look at this. This is plastic, you can tell, but like literally does not bend. I'm actually trying to bend it. These feel pretty good. I'm gonna try them on. I'm not a big glasses wearer, but this is what it looks like. They feel a little bit big. Nothing too bad though. And I've never had like big frame glasses, so I just got these. The next pair is the same link, same design, but in black. I think they come with blue light. Yeah, I think they come with blue light lenses in the first place. They actually feel like really good in the ring light. But here's what it looks like. Same design, got that. Pretty cool, pretty cool. And we get a last pair. This is from a different seller, so I'll see how this goes. So this is more of a slimmer, sleeker design. Got the silver right here. You have chrome heart, one of the chrome heart logos. I think it's like a cross. Some nice letters here, CH. I can never tell what the chrome heart font says. It's always weird. And then some more branding. I mean, yeah, these are pretty cool, you know. It's off the bat, these are more comfortable because they have the little nose things and they kind of fit to my head better. These aren't blue light like the other ones. But yeah, this actually like feels comfortable. I feel like I have nothing on my face, so I recommend these. They're pretty cheap. They're pretty budget. I've heard usually people say to like spend hundreds of dollars if you're buying glasses, but these are cheap. And if you like lose or break your glasses a lot, I recommend these. You can find these in repsheets.net. Search up chrome heart glasses or chrome hearts and you'll find it. It'll be under the accessories tab. So yeah, Yeah, on to the next item. So here I have some sweatpants. Yeah, these just, oh, watch out, bro, watch out. Literally, it's the same cat always in my video messing things up. But yeah, these are the same link seller thing. I actually love these this seller pants so much because their pants are so thick, they're so comfortable. They're literally more comfortable than like pajamas, and they're like really cheap. They're like $6 for a pair. This is where you can find them in rep sheets. Search up sweatpants and you'll find them. It's that easy. It's literally that easy. So like, what's stopping you? But yeah, on to the next item. Like I said, I don't even know what's in this haul. So this is a Burberry hoodie. I think I paid like 60 bucks for this. So it was a pretty like high quality link. Ooh, it kind of smells like factory or something. But I already have a Burberry hoodie, this exact colorway model type thing. I mean, it's a $50 link, so of course it feels amazing. It feels really heavy. Look at that zipper. Holy. Here's the design on the inside, the classic Burberry design. Got some Burberry tags. I'm gonna try this on. Oh my, I think this is like the best quality thing I've ever gotten. Feels like a Burberry hoodie. It's not oversized, it actually fits pretty well. I do like it. I got the Burberry roadman outfit. Like, I got the Burberry. Like, I feel like a UK roadman with this on. This is actually a pretty good hoodie. I recommend this. 50 bucks. Like, if you're looking for some good quality stuff, like, of course, the normal Burberry is like $1,000, so 50 bucks is not bad at all. All right. I actually have no clue what this is. Oh, never mind. I do. I had this in my warehouse for like a whole month. You can just tell these are essential sweatpants. They look pretty oversized, but yeah, these feel pretty good. Pretty soft on the inside. I think I paid like 20 bucks for these, so yeah. Search essentials pants inside the repsheets.net and you can get yourself a pair of these. All right, last clothing item for the haul, and then I got 3 more just like miscellaneous items. One of them might shock you because it's not very ordinary. It's kind of a crazy item. But for my last clothing piece, I have this shirt. I actually have another one of these, but it was too big for me, so I gave it to my brother. So this is a Chrome Hearts dagger design. Chrome Hearts dagger right there. CH on the bottom. The reason I bought this is because I have the hoodie, and the hoodie is like my favorite hoodie because like just like a nice design. Like it's just not too much, not too less. It's got a nice design on the back. I think I got this from Henry Reps, but the quality, look, it's like some good faded material. Very good quality, very good quality. I really don't have any problems with quality anymore because everything I buy, I just make sure I get good quality. You can search up Chrome Hearts dagger shirt or Chrome Hearts in my rep links and you'll find it. All right, now on to a weird item. This is very weird. Bro, what is this? I really wonder how they were able to ship this across the seas. Okay, so I ordered a fake iPhone 16 Pro. Comes with a box. Let's see if it actually works. I just peeled the screen off, get some more in the cameras. It actually feels pretty heavy. I wouldn't say it feels like an iPhone heaviness. I'm not trying to have the lithium battery blow up on me, so let's kind of like proceed with caution. I got it to use as a prop phone, and looks literally like a prop phone. Like, it looks way too realistic. This is actually crazy. I'm looking at this now. Let's see if it bends. I want to see. Oh, it got some bend to it. Like, it literally got the SIM card hole and everything. But yeah, iPhone 16 Pro Max. I bet you never seen your favorite rep creator buy that, huh? You might have a new favorite, huh? All right, second to last item. I got this. Oh, I didn't know it'd be this small. Got a Chrome Hearts. I don't even know what to call this. I just got this because I don't know. It looks kind of cool. This looks very small though. I don't know how it's gonna fit. But I got this to show off like the craftsmanship. Cause look at that. Chrome Heart dagger. You can really tell the craftsmanship within these jewelry pieces, which is why they always impress me every time. So while I take 30 minutes trying to figure out how to open this, you guys can just skip it ahead. So I finally figured it took me like 5 minutes to figure out how to open it. It's actually really weird. But this is what it looks like on the wrist. It's kind of big. It's got a cool design though. I really don't wear jewelry at all, so like I don't even know why I bought this. The bracelet on, and we got the glasses, and we got the shirt. Like, I'm really like a Chrome Heart demon. So once again, I have another mouse pad. I get one like every haul. I apologize for the blur. I didn't realize it until I started editing, but this is what the mouse pad looks like. Here's a AirPod case for reference, but it has COS XX. A really cool design, you know, COS figure with some blue. It touches. Here's proof that it is a mouse pad, so it slides, you know, like It moves around, like does everything you need to do, and it's pretty big. You know, like this is pretty big. Now back to the video. This is the end of the video. If you do like the video, please drop a like and subscribe. This is my subscriber analytics. Like 99% of you guys are not subscribed. Kind of amazes me because these videos don't pay for themselves. They don't. So the little thing you could do is just subscribe. Like, see you in the next video. Goodbye.